In this video, we're working in a Google Sheets sales spreadsheet where the price and revenue columns show plain numbers, and I'll show you how to turn them into proper currency values. Google Sheets has built-in number formats for this, including quick presets on the toolbar and a full custom currency picker if the preset isn't the one you need. If this helps you out, consider leaving a like on the video. First, select the cells you want to reformat, so click into any cell in your number columns to get started. Then drag across from column F through column H to highlight every cell that holds a quantity, unit price, or total. Formatting works on whatever's selected, so grabbing the whole range at once means one change updates all three columns together, instead of doing them one by one. With those cells highlighted, head up to the toolbar and open the More Formats button, the one labeled with 1, 2, 3. This drop-down holds all of Sheets' number styles, so besides currency, you'll find number, percent, scientific, accounting, financial, and a rounded currency option, with sample previews next to each one. Choose currency from the list to apply the default money format. Every selected cell instantly gains a pound symbol with thousands separators. So 2 becomes £2 even and 1200 shows as £1,200 exactly. That default follows your spreadsheet's locale. But if you want a different country's currency, open that same More Formats button again. Scroll to the bottom of the menu and pick Custom Currency, which opens a dedicated window for choosing any world currency. The window shows the current symbol at the top, a live preview of how a value will look, and an alphabetical list of currencies from around the globe. Scroll down through the list until you spot the one you want, whether that's Argentine peso, Armenian dram, Aruban florin, or anything else further along. Selecting Australian dollar here swaps the symbol field to a dollar sign and refreshes the preview so you can confirm it looks right before committing. When you're happy with the choice, hit the green Apply button in the top corner of the window. The window closes and the sheet redraws immediately, showing dollar signs across all three columns, with figures like $1,200 now displaying in the new format. So that's the whole process. Highlight your numbers, pick currency for the quick default, or use custom currency when you need a specific country symbol. The underlying values never change, only how they're displayed, which makes this a safe tweak on any existing data. Thanks for following along. And if you'd like more Google Sheets tips like this one, go ahead and subscribe to the channel